Can you feel it? The excitement of starting something new in a field that you are passionate about. You are racing into the fast-paced, dynamic world of sport and event marketing, with a new career waiting for you at the finish line. For more than 25 years, the original Sport and Event Marketing postgraduate program has been equipping students with the professional skills to succeed in a variety of exciting careers. As a student, you'll develop the core skills needed in the integrated world of sports, entertainment, nonprofit, and event marketing, a set of transferable skills that can take you anywhere. We have a stadium of experts ready to help you get in the game, and we're here to help you find your lane of career opportunity. Tap into and connect with a robust industry and active alumni network. Get hands-on experience through a variety of learning that disrupts the status quo, like industry projects, events, and a work experience term. As you round the final corner of this 12-month program, you will have the chance to engage and network with world-class professionals from all areas of the sport and event marketing community. A world of career possibilities is open to you here in a variety of sectors. Choose your lane of career opportunity. Get ready, get set. The race is waiting for you at George Brown College's School of Marketing.